How to reset Zillow account password. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Zillow account password. If you have forgotten your password on Zillow account, then here's how you can recover or reset it. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Google Chrome. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in zillow.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Zillow. Once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you will be able to locate sign in option. Simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear. Here, you may enter your email address in this field, or you may also directly click on this forgot your password link just below the sign in button. Once you click on it, here you will be prompted to enter your email address. If you have already entered your email address in the previous tab, then you don't need to enter it here. If you are prompted to enter it here, then you will need to enter your email address associated to your account. Now after entering the email, click on the send button. After that, now you will need to wait for the email with the link in order to reset your password. You may also open a new tab and there type in mail.google.com and open the mail. After opening the mail, look for the email from Zillow. There you will be able to see the email from Zillow. Simply open it and inside it, here you will be able to see the box change your password. Simply click on it. And once after clicking on it, you will be redirected to this page. Here now, you will be prompted to create a strong password for your account. Simply click on it and then create a new password for your account. Make sure your password has all the characters presented below. Now after entering it, click on the submit button right here. Also note it down in order to remember it. Now after few seconds, you will see you have successfully reset your password and now you are logged into your account. So this is how you can reset your Zillow account password. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.